Have you ever wanted to build your own web app? The idea might seem daunting at first, but fear not. Today, we're going to break down the process into manageable steps. And by the end, you'll have built your first web application using JavaScript. First things first, setting up the development environment. This is where the magic happens. You'll need a text editor, something like Visual Studio Code, and a modern web browser. Don't worry about where to find these tools. Links are conveniently provided in the description below. Now that our tools are ready, it's time to create the structure of our project. Think of this as building a house. We need a solid foundation before we start decorating. We'll create a new folder for our project, and inside we'll add 3 files: index.html, styles, CSS, and script.js. These are our building blocks. HTML provides the structure, CSS gives it style, and JavaScript adds functionality. Next, we'll start coding. Open index.html and lay down the basic HTML structure. We'll add a header, a section for our app's content, and a footer. Remember, HTML is the bones of our web app, providing the essential structure. Now let's make our web app look good. Open styles.js and start designing. CSS is like the paint and decor for our house. We'll give our app a clean, modern look by setting some simple styles for our header, content, and footer. With our structure and style in place, it's time to bring our web app to life with JavaScript. Open script.js and start coding. JavaScript is the electricity in our house, making everything work. We'll start with a simple greeting when the user visits our app. Finally, we arrive at the exciting part, testing. Open our web app in a web browser and watch it come to life. If something doesn't work as expected, don't panic. Debugging is part of the process. We can use the browser's developer tools to fix any issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just built your first web app with JavaScript. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn, so much more to create. Keep experimenting, keep coding. If you enjoyed this journey, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding!